Worcester's Board of Health is looking at new ways to educate students about what can sometimes be an uncomfortable topic. The public school system's sex ed curriculum is expected to change and be more in depth. Our Brittany Schaefer joins us now with the details. Brittany?
Olivia, currently the district doesn't have any set rules on sexual education. Under the new proposal, health classes would be required to teach about 8 hours of sexual health topics in a variety of topics. Worcester Board of Health votes in support of a comprehensive sexual education curriculum in the Worcester Public Schools. The city's Commissioner of Health and Human Services says what's being taught now isn't enough.
It's not sufficient. It's not recommended for all age levels. Since there's no set curriculum, each teacher picks what they want to teach, and so they can teach anything that they feel comfortable with.
According to the Centers for Disease and Control, comprehensive sexual education works. Research shows there is a 12% decrease in sexual activity and a 31% decrease in sexually transmitted infections.
Outcomes aren't good if it's just abstinence alone. So we look at things like having healthy relationships, how to give consent and how not to give consent. Then we have a whole LGBTQ community that really needs to also access sex education.
But the school administration's proposed plan received backlash.
We took a look at it and people passed it to friends or other groups and so on. And at that time, there were people that had some pushback on it.
It's why the school committee voted down the program last month. Member Diana Biancaria says it needs more fine-tuning before it's introduced in the schools.
Let's take the book back. Let's figure out how we have to work to ensure that there are some educational pieces in there that are necessary and some pieces that perhaps needed to be eliminated. Holding off on it, I don't think is going to create any havoc in our schools.
But Dr. Maddie Castile says now is the time to act to protect school-age children.
I think it's time, and it's been time for a number of years, that we should be doing this.
Biancaria says the proposal will be brought up during Thursday's committee meeting. She says she hopes the curriculum will be introduced next semester. Brittany Schaefer, Worcester News Tonight.